Medafo, Mammy Mo Aquaba, and Faumbra, GCN page so, meeting at the Adjoa Sechi. Best also best subscribe to my channel. Now don't say Emia Bell on the soul. Obey a notification, and some airports woman will be open your BT, and I say open your beer share and what GCN page ha. Afia Pokia, Vim lady, or your journalist, and what Ghana Hanom. Now, woman, did the beer make us a penasem because Evan politics are. Or ya do ye wo papa, Evan is all your analysis. Then they say, oh, trouble Ghana from Penifuno, Bia, and Yasam Kotua Cry, Npp and Ndc, or from what can I drink to send ya seminal ete. She's very beautiful with brains, or what dream, not dream, a year, Juma papa. I'm a penasem and Yasam Kotua Cry. I'm out of the brains we drum because almost is all Cassa. Now, my gun name was the one Cassa, and Yadian Pen from my yet. Ain't no car. Neno kaka video when you na so mo ya no mo aya mai nti afia pokuya kasa no o kasa magana nyina o kasa se na be ya Ghana mai no ebetumpon nti Ghana fo eya mo man ye mbo no abaso na o ya de ankasa na afia pokuya e na o kase na ne nsema o kai na ne se o man Ghana ye yetimi empanifo no o mo ya hwo NDC fo na MPP fo come on de o mo ye o memu no e ye tsan papa Etikabeya komanga na kwa yentam enfanche Despite and anemia Dr. Osei Despite ensa na omo ensure omanga na because omo no mo atumi abie biedwuma e na Ghana fo enye bi aye entini so omanga ne ya NDC fo ba yehunu omo ye no oboko MP ba yehunu omo ye no oboko ike ye tam edise ora Kwame Despite and anemia omo ensa kometumi manage oman yukra ye to said the NDC for and MPP for almost a year and the hashtag fix the country as CA and Nami Fremen will be a hashtag fix the country. Now, this is a Ghana company for almost a year because from 1992, I bano. Na kamya kwa yese social media ni shada ni wasantino na chese politicians in yamo moyeno I just say you na CA social media ba enti nyama ekosumi na bibia ye clear isi obu 18 years 15 years otumi eko social media eko hwe ensema eko so ho enti no sisi ede ye bompai by 5 years and as 6 years to come no ni enim so man Ghana afa no to mapa efra because isi youth ni ani abre say adwuma enu o mamu no Ghana fo mpanefo na adwuma abo man mu enti sisi no Ghana fo mpanefo na kasa so mo ye steady isi o ye politician na sa oba be campaigner and yama untumi nye no enya dia okra obeka because who can pressure ye de be ma no enya dia ubetimi afem na yentie ensema afia pokia e de etudwa
ton aniema o ka kwan wo kopa mo mpe se ye beto atia okovanda po ni eyi okovanda po fi ho e na okona se kele efia wo complain na wo kosam ene fix the country for ne bekasa drivers concerned drivers mum ne ade nyina so o studio ne on bekasa why o say on betoto ne emamu no because ni nyina ye issues e wo say ye ka ho asem say Miami area obi gota than anim in fact na no na me from be samani Christian amani what temasa come on no can story we say ye wo Ghana law tankers law na ye kan tankers tankers mosquito ordinance 1910 na Ghana ye nya independence o 1910 ene ye this law ne ba ye si ye ba na hu fichire ayefia ye be chew ye ba na gota wo anim kura ayefia ye be chew ya fa samra na akoye adwuma o ye we ya se Ghana for ensa metua bola tax. Oh, what a country. Ghana for na ukochi ni Paris esi obeto atia wo money pa ne nye ne bola fi me si me area obi si dan anya ni pa na koto no gata na da nanim na ye nyina nsuo to a e fa gata ne wa twe anya no de abegu nanim akava gata ni nyina akoka esi hey mi wasa ni pa create social media fix the country fix adwe money ne wo tiri no fix it. Unya adwen papa, you can fix the politicians. Nagana yeze, Your Excellency, Right Honorable, and Honorable, and yeah, politicians ebe sum yan swat titles komo. Ubetina radio so na kobo minister bi no afa Honorable, Your Excellency and koka no bi send you message, umuade. So, ya dike politicians so abakumasem. No me di so afa na fix wine. Me see, me beja kase o. Vim. Me bejai kasa no adwuma we kra ye hwe be retirement by force na ye nyina ya hwe se de Ghana be ye mpa no kra o Ghana o ka no kra ne asom ya no ne asoma fu soldiers ye me di watem drivers iti anum say dwuma ma yebu so mo say by the time omo drivers be ko pension no omo trasa kwa na no omo airport hills ana ya fa politicians am omo V8 ya mo petrol ya mo bungalow ya mo sika piso we are was akokotokoto no yeah honorable yes amasa honorable yeah correct sir honorable who to be go put an question journalist na una abedi na atam me say me issue statement e wo me social unim na ba me social media na be kika nsemfo a say de me fire no e be shock because me Ghana no V8 na omo che no me kan wo Ghana taxes muni mo amutu am taxes mamo go there and go and ask them questions me geo bia tax Dr. Forisapon and ne odi ni birthday nyakopon man kwada ono wan watiti ni bawurem no odi ni sika no wabie special eyes no ade afa nkrofo awo a oni mo ba bia afo mo adwumam giving them jobs to do otua ne tax hwe nkrofo ma so amabusuafo ka ho Dr. Forisapon me body sorry what nyakopon man kwan the only word here won fa ni nyina pi wo so Dr. Oforisapon wemu na gawase ya de Ghana crash wo munsa wemu ade ma politician odo tax mano wasan twi V8 uwi awaja politician wo bedi me matem na me maju sika your money dey ma there me it be me cause Ghana nya no cry you to get off me say se vote se the way I will questions was citizens me say who person Ghana yet is abroach okwa abroachira Europe ni America citizens na kasa they don't wait for the media to speak for them oh Omo to me organizing protests say they fix the country for a year demonstration. Omo kasa year demonstration. Come out and protest for yourself. Men train journalists and train media house. Me amini oba ma Captain Smart emre bi wasi eje time to deal with Ghana and Sem so that Ghana betimi anya solution ewo oma we mu. Enti me akwa ba na me che also say you see this issue about face Ghana ni niema bebre trended there was here can I say who say Ghana we have had Nkrumah in 1957 we have had Buzia we have had Kotokanom ne ade ambetu Nkrumah gu ye na Nkrumah kra ye industries ni ade ni nyina ma ye wie no yesi Nkrumah nye me ka be si asem so o niema kese enei because Nkrumah wu emo konti yetumi bon Nkrumah di na Nkrumah ye na wanchi na Nkrumah ye state farms na Nkrumah ye we na Nkrumah ye say na Nkrumah ye say Nkrumah ko ye pe na Buzia be say Buzia nye Nkrumah ye ya na Buzia kra freedom no ka so de be ma ye no kra say o man we baby ye wo no we should have been better than where we are now no doubt about it obia obeka se Ghana baby ye wo na ye ma ye no oboa obia obeka se Ghana baby ye won eyema no oboa sini who Ghana can be better Ghana can be like Dubai but as long as you praise Ghana be to say Dubai Ghana be to say Rwanda na yenka who said there's a price that we have to pay there is a price who to me continue Dubai now nka say Ghana nye say Dubai ba person who can offer radio so can obo so asem you can't have it all into those countries na Ghana ye dey want to omo to say Dubai no those UAE, Qatar, Doha, oko hono mo anade fa baby to say Rwanda ye kan ho asemi. You cannot eat your cake and have it. The omu ni ne say freedom na me no mie no ye Ghana ha ye de boy ho safo hene no. They don't have it. It is your person Ghana ko na ni ma ye nyina yan sacrifice na Ghana ko na ni but the point still remains say see you complaining about NDC ni MPP which Ghana we me say you cannot take NDC and MPP out of it. So man Ghana nya MPP nko NDC MPP na mo ye part of it. By 2024 NDC would have had 16 years. MPP would have had 16 years in Ghana. Nto man esa say ahwan say no. 16 plus 16 32. Out of the 64 years Ghana ye no. NDC ni MPP did 32. Nto man nya ahwan ye musa no. We are asking the two of you. Ye busamu mi enu NDC MPP but for today the MPP muna muti akonya so muna moji your taxes muna mukacha say you have the men and you can fix Ghana it is to be fix here mo MPP for money number 1 people beba mo ho but I'm saying that under Fourth Republic ye shase ye 1992 constitution ye adwuma yi ye bedu 2024 no ye nya ndru ho MPP for komunya 16 years but yenye nru ho ye bedu ho na MPP would have 16 years in power NDC 16 years in power dia no mo ye as much as ye boy leaders so boss say fix Ghana and I agree 100 me number one revolutionist. Me I've been screaming for 20 years on radio about say fix Ghana, fix Dumso, fix Insio, fix Ghana roads, fix potholes, fix unemployment. But I'm also the number one person to acknowledge say Ghana sa nye ye and Nkrumah enye ye. Ghana say Nkrumah kura Nkrumah Nkrumah show boy. Nkrumah show boy. I want to see you. Kwame Nkrumah show boy. Ede na Nkrumah nye. Nkrumah nye Ghana nye ye and Nkrumah Ghana nye ye. Ghana enye ye. Sebe ye ya me no mienu nyina we have to change our mind. Ye ka hu bi. It is not enough to call out our leaders. Call out the people. Enkrofo na ka say Jubilee yetena okwa. Jubilee House yetena okwa o. Jubilee House yentena okwa enkan twetwede NDC ni MPP 2016 election who dey Nana dey man 16,000 1 million vote no 2016 elections ya man Nana do kwa 1 million vote more than Mahama adan ye de man no Nana do namusuom otumi kɔwe fresh Kofi Brokeman kokwa ya toto no otitrotrom oh Nana give me a chance tisika so come dey Ghana Ghana we have the men. Adian about Mianka. The CD fundamentals and Adian Day and Adian Omanka. 1 million vote to 1 year time ya de man anado. And I heard Ghana ye. So pesa Ghana sasa. Now Jidi say this in MPP ka ona Ghana nye ya. Change say the auto abano. Wana koto abano ma omo. Election night ya tiano man ade chenye. And na do the suo muni reporters na police stations and go for the blog akoto to talk. You are voting the same people. Who you are about betra but ya besu. We dey wan to sa anyimo say enche aleshi ewi akobo. Enche akoto ewi abosu. Ekoto abanenya dem a ewi abosu. Akada fix it. Fix your vote. Who did 20 cities or politicians wo? Busa politicians ugata. Busa mu rose. Man pressure. Ghana journalists ko busa nanado. Tough questions Christ. Hey, now you know. Journalists ko busa dum so question Christ. Hey, why NDC ni fix ho? No have fix your man no. The day we will push journalists to ask the right questions. The day I ever catch a Ghana leader said they should think right. The day I ever catch a Ghana leader say we are ready to vote NDC NPP here. We are ready to vote against them. Ni try obi fufro. Na they want to NDC NPP sa say Ghana person heaven. Na ode ba mekodi entos yankwan onso so pe abenkwan o pese Ghana ye as what 20 senior MPP sa ade na pe nya atanie. So we have voted for the politics of insults. Inti NDC ba no abe DMPP for atem. Uwie na ukoka bi o NDC no power no adi atem bi. MPP for our power na ukoka dum so ane adi atem. Omo say no culture of no silence ni ho. Enso koka Ghana ho asem dum so na no me koto kanea. Ya jime NHI. Ya jime first VAT. Me tax nko 40 something Ghana cedis tax nko a me tua. Ya koto aduane restaurant enra. Tax nko a ye tua nko a 50 something Ghana cedis restaurant. Enso koka Ghana asem ese men koka. Men koka ni asuma nkofo aba social media ni abedi watem and you want Ghana to change. Change what thing? Change usuban. Me say na social media frame me say the picture na ma. Motorway. Na traffic esi. Na nkofo say omo de omo fa nchen. Na me block e ba ko na so ho. Mo sorry amuti social media fix Ghana wa fix e ho. Small traffic untumi ndile mu. O fa nchen. Adwe money Ghana for ye de to aba na no one ye de be party executive